Introducing the Prestige Plastic Cutter. This multicolor cutter measures 13.2 by 13.2 by 11.2 centimeters and has a blade length of 6 centimeters. It is made of plastic while the blades have a stainless steel design. The vegetable cutter features a unique design with a jumbo bowl, steel blades and an anti-skid base. The box contains one vegetable cutter. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.